Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a new Apple ID. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, first of all, you can have your Apple device, and from the phone you can go to your settings, and in the settings you will find the section of Apple ID on top. You can see right over here, mine is here. You can go ahead, tap on it and sign out, and when you go to the I don't have a new Apple account process, you will be able to create a new one and it will show you the steps, right? That's what you can do. One thing. Next up is you can go to your browser and go ahead, type in account.apple.com. That's what you're gonna type. That's what you're going to type in, and here you go. You will find the official website for you to create your account. Tap on this your drop down arrow icon on top right corner. Tap on create your Apple account, and just have to go through this tabs right over here. Add in your first name, last name, country and region. Go ahead, choose it, date of birth, and then your name, email, password, confirm password, number for the verification. And then go ahead, add in all of the information, tap on continue. There will be some confirmations required. Go ahead, do that, and you're good to go. That's all it takes. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.